song is brought to you by Intro Band.
Palakpak, Robbie.
Okay.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
Tang, tang, tang.
And in my hearts of darkness, standing in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Tang, 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 let it be. Let it be, let it be, oh let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be.
Tang, tang, tang. Alright guys, we are the Intro Band. La 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 la. Alright guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming music. Kami po pala ang Intro Band. Anong saan kanta kayo?
Hey Jude.
Hilot?
Hey Jude.
Ah, Hilot. Okay, ang sunod pong kanta namin ay Hey Jude. Ayan, ito, Hey Jude. Para, di, dapat natin si Hey Jude. Matasa. Hey Jude. Ito na lang na baba natin ng, key.
Pag may ipit yan.
Ayan, pwede yan. Key of ano yan, D. GF, ano siya?
Ginawa lang naman pala.
GF sharp.
Sige.
Hey
Jude. Anytime you feel the pain, hey Jude.
Let's go.
And we are the Kubos Band. And we are the team Timbangan.
Nakasabay ko sa jeep si Kumare, nagro-rosaryo, maiksi ang kanyang damit. Pumara doon sa may kanto, sa biglang liko, sabi niya pre, kasi may titira sa'kin. Sa kanto si Mare, markang nuevo, ika'y gustado, akala ko na to chikinini. Markang nuevo, siya'y bistado, akala ko na to chikinini. Ito ay naroon sa kalye, isang hari. Yan ang pera, ang batang pulubi. Pasensya na pagdaw sa puso. Mura pa rin ang mura si Mare. Maliit ang saludo, natatawa ako. Magdampo ebo, santo'y pumayo, natatawa ako. Alright, sa'yo. Alright. Alright, we are the intro band, guys. Okay, ano pang sunod na kanta? Uy, alas 8 mga tulog na yung mga kasama natin. So yun guys, unti-unti na kami magpapaalam guys. Kasi tutulog na yung mga kasama namin, alright?
Last song.
Last song, our closing song is brought to you by...
Finale song, the finale song.
Okay? Okay, the finale song is brought to you by... Ano bang sponsor niyan?
Di kita malilimutan.
The next song is brought to you by Nebeya. Sa Nebeya, ay...
Pag si Pia, ganda ka!
I don't wanna.
Ano bang title niya?
I don't wanna talk about it. You know, I don't wish that.
Ano title
I
niya?
don't wanna talk to.
I don't wanna talk about it.
I don't wanna talk about it. I don't want.
Mahabali mo may ano yan.
Yeah,
Ayan.
Rod Stewart. Okay guys, our closing song is brought to you by Nebeya. Sa Nebeya.
Ganda ka!
Alright. Sana naman mapansin tayo ni Nebeya pag i-upload natin, no guys?
Pia,
Kaya
bakit
Carmen. My heart. Alright guys, and we are the intro band from Mexico Heaven Steel. Go Anthony. Alright. So yun guys, uwi na kami. Alright, so mag-iwalay tayo guys. Again,
See you tomorrow again, guys!
sige, ganito yung oras. Same station,
Bye-bye.
same time. Okay, please.
Just be careful with my heart.
Alright guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Good, good, good.